Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside WhatsApp, not the phone settings. Open the app, tap Settings at the bottom right, then choose Account and Privacy. Once done, scan the privacy screen for screen lock or a Face ID mention. WhatsApp shows that control there so you don't have to hunt through iPhone menus. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change, because Face ID settings are per WhatsApp profile, and the next step lets you toggle it off. Now tap Screen Lock or the Require Face ID line to open the lock controls. You'll see a toggle labeled Use Face ID or Require Face ID. Tap it to turn it off. If WhatsApp prompts for Face ID to confirm the change, authenticate once so the app accepts the new preference. Once the switch is off, WhatsApp will show that Screen Lock is disabled. Make sure you press back to save the change, and then exit Settings so the app uses the new behavior immediately. Finish by testing. Return to Chats, force close WhatsApp, then reopen and confirm it no longer requests Face ID. If the app still asks for Face ID, open iPhone settings Face ID and passcode and verify WhatsApp isn't independently enabled there. Disable it if present. If issues persist, restart your phone and try again. As a last resort, reinstall WhatsApp after backing up chats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.